Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up an Etsy store. First things first, let us set up your Etsy store. Simply head over to your browser and type in etsy.com or click the link provided in the video description. Once there, navigate to get started. Next, let us click on Let Us Do This. Here you may encounter some questions that you can choose to skip if you wish. Then proceed to start setting up your shop by selecting your shop's language, country, and currency. Next, add your shop name, ensuring it's unique, or modify it if necessary. Once done, click Save and Continue. Now that your shop is created, let us move on to creating your first listing. This will be a draft listing. To add your first listing, first add the category of your product. Search a category and select the relevant one. Then, tell what type of item it is. You need to tell if you are selling a physical product or a digital file. Next, tell who made this item. Then follow the prompts and answer these questions. Once done, click on Save and Continue. Next, navigate to Photos and upload images of your product. If you have chosen a digital product, you will need to add files. You can upload up to 10 to showcase your item's best qualities. After uploading your photos, go ahead and edit them, adding alt text to improve search engine optimization. Once done, proceed to adjust your thumbnail image if necessary. Moving down to the page, add a video demonstration of your product. Keep it brief, ideally between 5 to 30 seconds long. After uploading your video, proceed to add your listing details. Start by adding your listing title with relevant keywords. After that, add files to your product. Next, add a description to tell about your product. Then add price and quantity. You can also offer variation in your product. Once done, add attributes such as color. Add tags to optimize your listing for search. Think about keywords your potential customers might use to find your product. Then add the materials used to create your product. Once everything is filled out, click Save and Continue to finalize your listing. And that is it. You have added your first listing on Etsy. To receive payments, navigate to the Get Paid section and add your bank details. Verify your bank account as prompted by Etsy. Also, tell other details like your country and account holder's details. Once completed, head back to your Etsy store manager to further customize your shop. You can add a logo, edit your store description, and upload a banner. Additionally, explore Etsy's features for managing your orders, engaging in marketing, and integrating with other platforms and tools. You can also consider running Etsy ads to boost the visibility of your store. That is it for this Etsy tutorial for beginners. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.